Thank you for joining us today for the ehrTHOMAS Diagnostic Order Module Help video. The Diagnostic Order module allows the user to create paper orders for diagnostic tests such as X-rays, MRIs, or CT scans. The results can be attached to the diagnostic test for viewing. Click it to access the Diagnostic Order module. When the module is accessed for the first time, you are prompted to create an order for a diagnostic test. Each order created will be addressed to one facility. This screen will show you procedures that can be ordered. Fill out the appropriate fields with the information necessary. The prescriber will be defaulted to the patient's encounter provider. Select a different physician ordering by clicking the prescriber dropdown. Specify the specific facility the test will be performed by clicking the facility search button. Indicate a diagnosis by clicking the diagnosis dropdown. Search for a specific procedure code by entering it in the search field. Set a target date for when the order should be fulfilled by entering it in the target date field. Show the procedures that have been marked inactive by clicking the Show Inactive checkbox. Click on the categories along the left to filter the procedures attached to a specific category. Single-click the desired procedure to add it to the Selected Procedures area. Remove an option from the list of selected procedures by selecting the procedure that needs to be removed and click the Remove button. Start creating a diagnostic order by clicking the Next button. Cancel the diagnostic order by clicking Cancel. Clicking the Next button will prompt the user to modify and/or add in additional information. Add or change the facility by clicking on the Search button to be brought to the facilities list. Add or change the ordering provider by clicking the drop-down to choose. Enter an order number for the patient to be performed. Choose the applicable status from the drop-down to track order. Select a target date for the test to be completed by the facility. Enter an estimated number of minutes for the order. Enter the name of the resource if the test is being conducted in-house. Change the procedure code on the order by clicking the Search button. Change the diagnosis for a diagnostic test by clicking the Diagnosis Search button. Attach a body location to the diagnostic order for the patient by clicking the Location Search button. If using digital imaging and communication in Medicine Viewer, enter the link to the result. Add comments to the diagnostic order to print on it by entering those within the comment field. If a procedure was added in error, click the Delete button. After all the necessary fields are filled out, click Save. Cancel the order by clicking the Cancel button. A diagnostic order preview will be displayed after saving. The diagnostic order was designed so the office could print the order, provide it to the patient, and the patient can take the order to the appropriate facility. Exit out of the preview by clicking the X in the window corner. This will take the user to the diagnostic order list. If a diagnostic order was already created for the patient, the system will display the diagnostic order list upon entering the Diagnostic Orders module. This screen will show you a list of all diagnostic orders for the patient. They will be listed in date order based on when the test was ordered, regardless of status. Orders can be filtered by status at the bottom right corner. Modify a diagnostic order by highlighting the desired order, then click Edit. Order another diagnostic test by clicking Add. Reprint a diagnostic order by clicking the desired order to highlight it, then click Print. When modifying any orders, a file may be attached as part of the diagnostic test results coming back. These attachments are specifically for the order and may be viewed from the patient information screen. Click the Attach File button to open the file attachment list. The Attach File button will be checked off, indicating that the file has been attached to the order. If you have any further questions or need additional help, please call the Genius Solutions ehrTHOMAS Support Department at 586-751-9080, option 7. Thank you.